Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Fred. My name is Fred Said. Today's topic is, Fred, are open houses still relevant when it comes to selling my home, and should I do that strategy with my real estate agent? The answer is it depends. See, there's two types of agents doing two types of open houses. With all due respect, there are some agents that literally just put it in the MLS, put a sign in the ground, and just wait for buyers to show up. Now, that's how open houses typically have always been done. Yet there's a second way that open houses can be done by a lot of brokers that do them as well and agents that do them, and it's more of a proactive approach. Not only do they put it in the MLS to market that an open house is being done, not only do they put the signs in the ground, but they're doing proactive attempts from calling neighborhoods, inviting their database out there, doing some social media marketing, and making a more presence or a more marketing approach, being proactive to get more people to come into that open house. So when done properly and when done with option 2 with the more proactive approach, they are most definitely relevant. Yet if somebody's just doing an open house, or if you're selling your home yourself and putting signs in the ground, really more of a passive approach, you might just get a lot of looky-loo neighbors that want to just check out your property, and you might be wasting hours of your time on a Saturday and Sunday. So make sure if you were to do them, they're just done correctly, and doing it correctly is the only way that we do it at the Fred Said Group in Southern California. And if we can help you in any way with your real estate needs, you can reach us 7 days a week at 1-800-921-9231. And to see all the properties that have open houses this weekend, go to fredsaidgroup.com and tune in next week for another amazing edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.